All right, good afternoon, traders. This is November 28th, 2023. We're going to do the BYOB Market Wrap Up. Let's take a look at some charts. Start with the SPY. All right, so here's the SPY. Let's look at the daily. All right, so we got a doji, a doji, a doji, a doji, another doji. It's a whole basket of dojis. All right. So today's price action making a higher high and a lower low. So increasing the volatility up here. Still trapped underneath that weekly downtrend line right there. So back up there to test it before the end of close. So you can see T-line is climbing fast, closing in on the price action. We'll see what happens. SPY still in a daily uptrend. Here's the last high. And we have a higher high still making, still in a daily uptrend. So today's price action pretty much contained probably within about $3, $453.50. Up to $456.50 right there. So right there between $3. So there's SPY. Not much happening, just a nice bull flag. We'll see what they want to do. They still have to close candles over the weekly downtrend line. Let's take a look at QQQ. I'm going to go out on a limb and say it looks pretty close to the SPY. Haven't seen it yet. It's got a little bit bigger body, less wick. All right, so here's QQQ. We got it looks like an equal high and then about a little bit of a lower low here on QQQ, but you can see they recovered it, closing over the body of yesterday's candle. QQQ in a daily uptrend, last high, higher high. It's in a daily uptrend, QQQ. So it's still tackling this resistance area right here, trying to hold it as minor support. Let's take a look at FNGU. FNGU makes a lower high and a lower low, continuing yesterday's pattern of lower high, equal low. So a little bit lower high, lower low, still in a daily uptrend. We have a high. We have a higher high, so FNGU still in a daily uptrend. I'll bet Diamond Dow looks about the same. Oh, Diamond Dow's just a little bit different. All right, so Diamond Dow puts in an equal low and a higher high, and still in a daily uptrend. We have a higher low and a higher high. So still in a daily uptrend here. Let's take a look at IWM. And IWM still bull flagging over to the right. Price action today is lower high, equal low. Still bull flagging over this downtrend line right there. So there's IWM in a daily uptrend, higher low, higher high right there. Let's take a look at GLD. GLD making a higher high and a higher low in a daily uptrend with a higher low here and a higher high there. So there's GLD doing the blast off thing. Silver making a higher low, making a higher high, puts it in a daily uptrend. Price action for silver, higher low, higher high. Silver doing well, attacking these highs right here. Still not out of the channel right there. There's the consolidation channel. I want to see it break out of the consolidation channel. So there's silver. USO. USO still in the bear flag formation. Kind of stuck at the T-line here. Price action for today is a higher low and a higher high. Still in a daily downtrend with lower highs and lower lows. Lower high, lower low. So there we are with USO. UNG. UNG just fell out of bed. Lower high, lower low. UNG, that's the price action for today. Lower high, lower low. And on the daily chart, we have lower highs and lower lows. Puts it in a daily downtrend. UNG needs some help. Winter could not get here fast enough or cold enough. All right, so we did USO, we did gas, let's take a look at SMH. Semiconductors pulling back to the minor support right about here and getting a little bit of a lift. Price action for the semiconductors is a lower high and a lower low, so a little bit of drift back. SMH just consolidating up there. See if they can hold it. XLF putting in a higher high and a lower low, just consolidating here at the 3530 level. On the daily chart, it is making higher highs, so it puts it in a daily uptrend. IYT price action for today, lower high, lower low. Just consolidating over the support level. That's what we want to see, is this 239 level hold. We'll see what happens. Price action, here's the last high, putting in a higher high, puts it in a daily uptrend. There's the downtrend line is broken. It's trying to hold this area up here over 240. And let's take a look at the dollar. And for the dollar, we got dollar skins off some more today as it fades. So dollar fades down to 102.75, 102.65 really. So dollar fades again, 102.65 through the 200, the flat 200. So we've got 1, 2. So this is bad. This is really broken. Here's your spike. There's your rubber band one right there, and then here comes this one. So dollar's falling. Where's the next support area? Down here. Gold and silver are going to look really good if dollar keeps falling here. So we'll see what happens there. And economic calendar, we got the big one is GDP tomorrow morning, 8:30. That could give us a lift tomorrow. GDP has been good the last times it was reported, so we may see a bump in the in the markets tomorrow. A little bit more rise with GDP coming out tomorrow. That might have been that last minute rally was the GDP. Who knows? All right, so earnings calendar we've got for tonight. We've got Intuit's going to report tonight. PDD Holdings reported today. Workday reports tonight. That's it. The big ones tomorrow. We got 3 in the evening. Big ones: Synopsys, Salesforce, and Snowflake. I'm curious what Snowflake does. They're the new one for the FNGU, so we'll see what happens there. That's it for the market wrap up. I want to wish everybody a wonderful evening. Thank you for being here. Hope y'all made some money today. And we'll try again tomorrow. All right, so everybody have a wonderful evening. Thank you for being here. See you at 8 o'clock in the morning. All right?